Hello friends, I'm Saurav and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make tea leaf fertilizer at home. Before that, let's discuss some benefit to use tea leaf fertilizer for plants. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The percentage will show on screen, so it is basically called as NPK fertilizer. And as this fertilizer is organic, so we can use in all flowering plants. It also high in tannic acid, which makes soil slightly acidic, because most of the flowering plants like acidic soil, but do not give excess, otherwise it will harm the plants. Now let's see how to make it. First we will wash the tea leaves to remove the unwanted particles of milk, ginger, etc. which we are using in tea. After washing thoroughly in water, then take a plate and put the leaves and scatter them so that it will dry fast. Then keep the plate under the sun for 4 to 5 days. After 3 days, you can see the tea leaves look like this, totally dried. This is my previous batch, which is now ready to give to the plants. Now we learn about how to give it to plants. We can give it in two ways. One by spraying and another that is in soil. First we are talk about spraying. Soak the dried tea leaves in water for 24 hours. I will take 1 teaspoon in this plastic cup and add water. After 24 hours, you can see the liquid is ready. Now we have to dilute this liquid more, otherwise it will damage the leaf because of its acidic nature. So for this plastic cup, I will mix with 1 liter of water. That is sufficient. You can see this mogra plant, also called as jasmine, having lot of buds. This is the correct time to add tea leaf fertilizer. So I spray it. I usually give to all flowering plants, but remember to use in small quantity. The next process is to add in the soil. For that I am taking another plant, which is Chandni plant, also called as crepe jasmine. In this plant, for showing you, I will give this fertilizer in soil. That's all for now friends. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and press the bell button for upcoming videos. Thank you.